Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I will teach you like this
Yeah.
many more things in very few minutes. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rex Tito. Please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. I will be uploading on Kinemaster games and tips and tricks and many more things. How to make glitch effect? It's very easy. Go to empty project, then media, and select whatever background or video you want. Sorry for this, by mistakenly I have chosen the black color, so I have to change it into blue for some reason, so sorry for this guys. So let me change it. So I've done my correction. Here we go. Just follow my video and please do like this video and comment below what video should I make.
Guys, I have selected the skull logo because it's look cool. So whatever you want, you can choose like text or any animation or animated characters or whatever you want or whatever you feel like.
Select the layer and split it from the middle. Okay guys, follow my video very carefully from here. Now select the first layer. Now go on your left side of the screen and press that 3 dots. Now go in overall animation and select the option flicker. Okay, now here we go. Yeah, it's a glitch. Now you can use it wherever you want in your video and in your intro. Now duplicate it, same, and now follow that same option, overall animation and that flicker, and just move little bit on your screen and same flicker because it's look like a glitch. So it's all set to rock your video or your intro or your outro, wherever you want you can use it guys. So that's it, this was the glitch. So now we move on to the next one. Here we go, boom. Second one is use the video on pics using chroma key. You can use any kind of video, like we feel like template videos or whatever. I have given the link in the description of that moving or HD kind of that video that people use in that VFX and all that stuff. So you can use your mind and creativity. First select any background. I have selected white color, then select any PNG images or anything, like you can here animate it also, like anything you want you can do, anything. Now select the layer option, then go in media folder and then select the video. I have given the link in the description. Sorry. Now resize it according to the video or screen size, then enable the chroma key option and now select the color relevant to the background. It should look like we have used the chroma key, and here we go, chroma has been activated. So it's look really wonderful. It can be done in only 2 minutes guys. It's really very simple and easy. First it will be like a very difficult for me also. It was a very difficult task, but after watching many other YouTube videos, and it was like awesome. So it's really very simple guys, and please do like this video and subscribe for more and comment down. So third one is guys cinematic. It's really very easy and simple. So you have to follow all that same stuff. Go in the empty project and then select the whatever video you want. I've selected 4 videos. I am going very step by step. Okay, isn't it too hot? Sorry. So I'm just cutting my video because my video lengths are too big. So I'm really sorry, I'm just too fast forward. Okay.
सोनू तुझे हम पे भरोसा नहीं क्या, नहीं क्या सोनू का बापू भोसड़ू 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 की शक्ल गोल 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 गोल। सोनू तू हमसे मीठा बोल मीठा बोल। सोनू तुझे हम पे भरोसा नहीं की सोनू के चाचा को HIV का एटम गोल 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 गोल। सोनू तू हमसे मीठा बोल सोनू तुझे हम पे भरोसा नहीं की सोनू।
शांतबा की चलने की आवाज सुनी तुम लोगों ने? शांतबा ऐसी बात है जिसके आते ही दिल की धड़कन तेज हो जाती है, हवा रुक रुक के चलने लगती है, मौसम बदल जाता है और उसकी पायल तो ऐसी बजती है कि जैसे छम 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 छम।
DJ Shiva.
And subscribe. Now go in layer option and choose the background color black, like as we see in cinema or any kind of movie. The upper part and down part, is it in black color or dull or any dark color? Most of the time it is in black color only. Okay, so just select it and duplicate it, then choose that 3 dot. Okay, as I told you in my first part of video. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, it's all set. So just a little bit, yeah, it's all set guys. So just stretch it towards the end of the video because I've selected 2 3 or more than that. So just stretch it till end, and yeah, it's all set. I'm measuring it. Okay, now go to the second part. Yeah, stretch it till the end. Boom 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 boom. Okay, stretch it. Fine, yeah, it's all set. Little bit. Okay, yeah, all set. So so okay, I'm sorry. So just select, I think let's yeah, okay, color, yeah. So now it's, yeah, now as you can see it looks so cool. In the same follow color filter. No, it's fine. Color, yeah, there we go. Select the color, done. And in that also select the color, yeah, and done. Yeah, it's no hello baby. Oh yeah. Nah, it's too bad. Nah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's done. It's look good. Now it's feel like I'm watching a movie. And now play. Yeah. Now it's look so cool. Okay, I'm sorry I haven't told you before that. Okay, just you have to do one thing. If the video is in if the video is not in slow motion, just please just lower the that video timing. Okay guys, just lower the video timing, it will be look great. Just remember that. Okay, remember. So just go in that and select that option. Okay, so please do thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Okay, so tada, bye bye and hasta la vista. Hakuna Matata, remember, Hakuna Matata. So please, I think I've enjoyed it, and stay tuned because I'm going to upload more videos related Kinemaster and gaming videos, and more tips and tricks and top 5, top 10. It will be coming. Okay, so thumbs up, bye bye, hasta la vista. Bye baby.